Hello Coco fam, it's Sue. Today I went one of the leading plastic surgery hospital in Korea called ID Hospital. The reason they're special is because they are certified by strict Korean government and each floor has expert related to plastic surgery. So ID Hospital in Sinsa, Seoul is divided into 16 floors and doctors in charge are arranged on each floor such as General Checkup Center, Chest Surgery Center, Skin Lifting Center, Face Bone Research Institute, Implant Center, Dentistry, Hospitalization Room, and Aftercare Center. Plastic Surgery Hospital with all of these systems are known as ID Plastic Surgery Hospital and is loved worldwide. And the reason I met ID is because they have very special cosmetics that were launched from over 120 million patients and 18 years of know-how data. And actually, they are the one who create the word PlaCosmetics. It's actually a compound word, means plus to where it needs volume and minus to places that need to go in, so it called PlaCosmetics in a beauty field. So for example, with ID, Face Fit Plus Patchet help wrinkles and lifting effects, and their minus band can tight loosen skin, so lifting effects. Therefore, those two together can be plus and minus effects called PlaCosmetic.